Introducing the Feeler VTM-415 mill-turn multitasking machine that combines milling, turning, and grinding functions to meet the needs of the semiconductor, mobile phone, tablet, and electronics industries. The structural castings of VTM-415 features box-shaped design with optimized spans. A high-speed rotary table is securely mounted on an integrated base. 3 axes use roller-type linear guides, ensuring rapid movement and high rigidity. The separation of the 3 axes from the rotary axis facilitates error compensation and increases accuracy. The direct drive spindle brake system uses hydraulic brake caliper for optimal braking force. The XYZ axis travel are 520, 460 and 400 mm and 415 mm rotary table. The maximum speed of the C-axis is 2,500 RPM, suitable for various milling and turning operations to increase efficiency. Moreover, the integrated funnel-shaped chip evacuation system improves chip removal efficiency. An optional tool management system allows uninterrupted machining, enhancing efficiency and tool change safety. Feeler focuses on energy efficiency and carbon reduction, verified through ISO 14064-1 greenhouse gas emissions auditing. The machine uses IE3 high-efficiency motors for cutting fluid pumps, reducing lubricant use by 94% annually with grease lubrication and oil volume control. We promote sustainability by using recyclable materials in castings and sheet metal. The machine can use a digital twin system for 3D simulations to prevent collisions and ensure one-time processing, reducing costs and risks. Additionally, Feeler offers smart maintenance, green energy saving, and process optimization functions using smart application servers for real-time monitoring of power usage, energy-saving modes, diagnostics, lifecycle management, and thermal compensation, supporting customers in achieving energy efficiency and carbon reduction. Feeler VTM-415 enhances processing efficiency and quality, making it your ideal choice. For more details, please contact us.